What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We just got a whole whack of work done on Tyler's 4Runner, new bumpers, rock sliders, tech custom headlights. And now for a little finishing touch, we're going to be adding these Auxbeam V Ultra Series amber pod lights. Let's check them out. These are the same ones that I'm running on my Hilux, and I absolutely love them. Yeah, they're a nice look, and they give you really good lighting too. They have like side shooters, so you get a good ditch light angle and all that. Pop the cover off.
So sick.
Yeah, they're really nice. So there's the lights, and then you get your little hardware kit. Even comes with an Allen key for adjusting them. And then the whole harness already pre-terminated with all the nice weatherproof connectors. Auxbeam does a really nice job of supplying you with a good quality harness, which goes a long way because I've had the same harness in my truck for probably 6 years, and these things, they don't take on any dirt. They're just reliable, good seal on them. And then you got your ring terminals. You just hook that right up to your battery, and then you run this into the cab somewhere, and then you've got your daytime running light there, and that'll just light up this little strip right here. So that's the DRL, and then this is the main beam right there.
Pretty easy.
Let's get these things installed and wire them up. Step 1, pop the hood. Step 2, prop the hood. Now we got to figure out where we can go through the firewall to get that switch going. It looks like there's a grommet right down here that we'll be able to go through. So let's start feeding wires.
Start feeding wires.
Feeding wires, buddy. So basically this is your switch, and this is the only thing that has to go through the firewall into the cab. Everything else is separate, and they make it nice with this little connector right here. It just unthreads, sealed with an O-ring. Boop. 4-pin connector. It's indexed, so you can only hit it one way, which is awesome. Now we're going to feed this through, and then we're going to mount this inside the cab in a nice clicky spot. I'll show you where we're thinking. So right here, there's an unused plastic panel, which will fit that just perfectly. And then we'll notch out this edge a little bit so that the wire can pass right through. You won't even hardly see it. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay, we're just working on feeding the wire through. So I don't know if you can see that, but up in there we're pulling it through the grommet right there. Boom. We are through. Now we just need to connect this end back up with this one, and then hook up the rest of the wiring harness. Okay, now we're just hooking up the relay right here. I'm just using this bolt on the inside of the fender. Makes for a perfect little mount for it. And then we'll hook up our ring terminals to the battery. And then we'll just run these right up to the front where we're going to mount them. And then we'll clean up the wires a little bit, a couple zip ties here and there. Make it look all spick and span. Oh. Make sure you've got your wrench turned on the right way, right? Okay. We've just tucked up all the excess wiring up into the footwell here. And now here's the switch. I like how it lights up like that too.
Yeah,
so you never leave it on, right?
Yeah.
And then we're just going to have that mounted right there. Should be great. Oh, that sounds nice. I love a good click. This is what I was talking about with the straight edge. You can really dial them in. Yeah, that's perfect. And then we can set the angle afterwards. Let's see here. Oh, pretty good, not bad.
Pretty good.
So if you really want to dial it in, take your angle cube, zero it off the frame or something, and then come over on this side. And now we can really OCD to the max here.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
Now we snug them up. Beautiful. Don't look in there. It's me Lucky Charms.
Nice.
Nailed it.
I'll go down.
Okay, we just got the Auxbeam light install all wrapped up. These things look sweet. I think it really completes the look of the whole front end on this truck.
That's so good.
So good. We got the button right down here. Running lights. And then the big dogs. Let's see how that looks. Bright enough for you?
Headlights.
Oh yeah. Yeah, those rip.
Yeah.
We're gonna wait till darkness falls, and then we'll see how these babies do in the night. It's finally dark out, so we're testing the aux beams. This is on the daytime running light setting. They look pretty freaking cool. Oh, there we go. Firing up the Tech Customs. Those things are so cool. Yeah. Okay, put it on bright mode now. Mega mode.
Auxbeams.
Yeah. So that's just putting out like a little bit of an amber glow. And then boom. Lighting up the night. They got the side shooters too. So you get good light on the side, which is awesome. Like, look at all that. Boom. Yeah, these things are wicked. So good. These turned out awesome too. More rig.
That's so extra.
Well, you happy with those?
I love them both.
Right on. Anyways,
So good.
shout out Auxbeam. Remember, if you guys want 15% off any Auxbeam lighting, use code YWC1 at checkout. Save yourself some money.
And buy Tech Customs just to buy Tech Customs.
Yeah, and honestly,
They're
if
worth it.
if you have a Toyota,
100%.
buy Tech Custom headlights. Those things are insane.
It makes me want to get another one just to have another.
Yeah. More Toyotas, more Tech Custom and Auxbeam lights. Thanks for watching, guys.